Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to send a CLI command to multiple network devices using APIs. Okay, so this is the code that I have, and it's like 171 or 169 line of code, not including this one. And let me explain it a bit. So these are the import statements that I have, and this is just to disable the warnings because the APIs are using self-signed certificates, and this is the base URL, the username and password, and these are the endpoints. And the first step is to get a token. So this is the function to do that. So it's called get token. Okay, and the next step is to get all devices. So in this video, we're going to get all the devices. And the third step is to send a CLI command to all the devices. So in this case, the CLI command is show IP interface brief. This one here. And we wait for the file ID. So if there is a file ID, meaning the task is completed. And then if there is a file ID, we can go ahead and get the output using the headers and file ID. So this is the entry point of the code, right? So this is where the code starts. So step one is authenticate and get an access token, right? We're calling the function get token, and then we are just assigning the result of that call to a variable called token, right? And we are using that same token to be assigned into this key, right? Or to be the value of this key, right? Because this is a dictionary and we are assigning it to a variable called headers, one of the parameters. And the next step is to retrieve all the network devices. So we are calling the get devices function and assign the result to a variable called devices. And the third step is to extract all device UUIDs. And we are assigning it to a variable called device IDs. Okay, and the fourth step is to send the CLI command, the show IP interface brief, to all the devices. And we'll wait for the task to finish and retrieve or get the file ID. And then once we get the file ID, we can go ahead and call the get output function, and we assign the result of that call to a variable called results, right? And then we display the output for each device. Okay, so let me go ahead and run the code. So IP, let me do this. Python, paste the file, Python file. So we see that there is 5 devices found, right? Switch 1, switch 2, 3, and 4. And this is task ID, file ID, and this is these are the command outputs. So this is the switch 1, show IP interface brief, switch 3, show IP interface brief for switch 3, switch 4, the output for switch 4, and switch 2. And this is the output from the show IP interface brief. So that's how I was able to send a CLI command to multiple network devices using APIs. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.